What's up, y'all? 20 Days Trading here again, man. Look, day 4, rode at Max Allocation with Lucid. It is March 4th. I didn't get a trade during Asia session or New York session. Honestly, I didn't get one in either one. I'm going to show you why. So, coming onto this chart, on the 1 hour, I pretty much already seen that we were very bullish. We had no gaps left behind, and we were pretty much holding this gap right here. All I wanted to see was price pull back and then continue higher to this area right here. And same for silver. I just want to see price pull back and continue higher to this unfilled 15-minute. And we didn't get that. We pretty much held the areas we were at and just shot on silver. As for gold, we hit this level and then we pretty much just started ranging, holding that level a little more. Silver, on the other hand, began to take off. It got very close to my channel right here. And then we decided to just take off. So at that point, I'm like, okay, I didn't get an entry down here. We already made the move for the night, which is going to this area up here. I could take shorts to try to ride it down, but at this point, it's already 10 p.m. It's late. Majority of the times, whenever I take a trade late in my session, it is like a lower chance of me winning. So I went ahead and just called it a trade night. I was like, you know what? It's fine. No trade day. It's cool. We come back in the morning. Same with gold. So here, if we come back in the morning, and we go to our time, which is 8 a.m., we can see price looks very choppy. We had a massive push down. After our session, we gave a setup for sales, push back up, slight push down, and we displaced very heavy back to the upside. Then we began chopping, right? So at this point, I don't want to take anything in this chop. I don't want anything in here. So on a higher time frame, there's nothing for me to watch so far. We're just chopping. It's ugly. I don't want to see anything. And then 8 a.m. opens, and we just immediately displace lower. Immediately, like no pullback for real or anything. We get pullbacks, but not to where we want it to be. So we just continue low, no channel retest. It's 10:25. Like I said, late in the session, I don't really want anything. Same with silver. We got a tap, but look how choppy this is. I'm not taking a trade in this. There's no gaps or nothing. We just sitting there going up and down slowly. I'd rather not be caught in that type of chop. So that ended up resulting in no trades. And yeah, I had a full no trade day. Like I said, that's day 4. And just to recap, nothing to show for the trade because there was no trade. I'll see y'all in the next one.